All right, everyone, big moment here. This has been weeks in the making. In fact, it's been over a month in the making. Finally, after a bit of maintenance, getting things just right and working with some folks that know a thing or two about mechanics, I present to you in HO scale on my club's layout, the Farmington Valley Railroad Society, my version of the Essex Clipper Dinner Train, owned and operated by the Valley Railroad in Essex, Connecticut. They are going to be slowly lumbering by the Clayton Crossing past the G&S passenger station. They, of course, will not be stopping, as this is not a train that stops. All right, as you can see, this crossing is actually under construction. This has been a long time in the making. We're going to add another set of lights and crossbucks on the other side.
Is the prototype dinner train made of 4 cars?
Something like that. Now approaching Clayton, we have a standard excursion for the Essex Steam Train. Naugatuck Valley Tourist Railroad in partnership with the Central New England Railroad Museum, as located in Thomaston, Connecticut.
Yes.
And now we have the Nagi coming back the other way on the return trip. Same crossing.